Hi everyone, Melissa Ortuño here, TK teacher and one of the volunteer staff members for Whole Brain Teaching. Wanted to make a quick video about how to edit your version of AlphaHawk Island to get it ready for your class, and also how to easily lock up your island with all of the plates and locks. So hopefully if you're watching this video, you've already downloaded AlphaHawk Island 2.0. If you haven't, make sure you've done that, and then that you have gone and edited the name of your island with the date so you know which version you have. Once you've done that, you want to read through and make sure you have taken a look at all of the speaker notes about how to set up the island, and you're going to get currently on this version to slide 17 is going to be the one that you want to use to edit. So you have your side quest, you can delete those. So to easily delete, you can select them. You want to make sure that you are not just on the writing but actually have the four corners, and press delete to totally get rid of that side quest if you decide you do not want any of those side quests, or just click one time and you can edit that to whatever suits your need for your grade level. Remember that you again want to make sure you're looking at the speaker notes and clicking through the slides for the information about the side quest and everything. So once you have edited your island, you can slide over to the side and add your students' names to your super improver. You can also just delete these names and have it ready if you don't have all your student names yet. So once you are ready with your island, you're going to slide back to the main island, and you're going to click on slide 20 to get your locks. So you have edited your island, you're all ready with your side quest or treasures, however you want on your island. You're going to come over, and what I find the easiest is to start in one corner, hold down the button of your mouse, and slide over all of them. So now you have selected all of them, and you can Control C for copying, or you can go over to Edit and click Copy, either way. And then you're going to go back to your slide 17 with your map and Control V, or go to Edit and click Paste. So now I have all of those all lined up. They're perfectly lined up. I have my red plates. Then I'm going to go to slide 21, same thing. Come over here. I'm holding the mouse button down as I select everything. Control C and copy. Come back to my slide. Control V. Two more layers. My green layer. Same process. Select all. And I know there's other ways. I just find using the mouse is easiest. Copying that, clicking, and pasting. Now you'll notice the little dots. I want to make sure after I've pasted that I am clicking somewhere else, not selecting anything. I might even move over. Even if I'm in the cloud land, I want to make sure I haven't selected anything before I paste. So I might go through and check, okay, I have my green, I have my blue, I have my red. If I have the little blue squares on when I go to paste, I'll just show you an example. It's going to take away what I pasted, and it's going to have it a little bit shifted. So I don't want to do that, and again I can just undo. So if I, for example, pasted the green ones wrong, maybe I had everything selected when I went to paste, I can just undo and then make sure I've clicked away. Even if I'm over here, when I click paste, it's going to line up perfectly where I want to do it, as long as I'm only pasting one time. If I go and paste again, it's going to shift it just aside. So I've got my red ones, I've got my blue ones, I got my green ones. I'm now going to do the locks, selecting them all, copy, go back to my slide, and I don't have anything selected, and paste. Now I have all my pieces. So the next thing I strongly recommend doing is selecting this slide, and you'll see it has a little yellow row here, and going up to File, make a copy of just this selected slide. And I'm going to name this with my name or my room number. So I'm going to call this Ortuno AlphaHawk Island 2.0, so I know this is my copy. And when I make that copy, it's going to take just a second or a little bit more than a second to make that copy, but now I have a slide that is just my Metaverse Island. So again, it does take a little bit of time because there is a lot of graphics. So if you've been making a lot of copies of AlphaHawk Island, I'm going to show you one more thing to do before we finish. So now I have my AlphaHawk Island 2.0 with all the almost 200 slides, or maybe not quite as many now, 138 slides. And then I have my version right here that I have edited and have locked up. So it's my island. So I labeled that. So then if I make a new copy, if there's new changes, I can, for example, maybe it's 8:10 and there's something new, I can come over and grab that new thing. Maybe there's some new badges that I want. I can come and select just this slide, copy, come over to mine and get a new slide. So I'm just right clicking and doing new slide. You can also do Control M, and I'm going to paste that new slide and don't link. So now I have that new information. So maybe my copy didn't have the little subject labels. This is new, just this morning, I believe. I want to get the new badges. I can just add that slide to my copy. So last thing I wanted to show you is when I go to my Google Drive and I search for, I'm just going to do island. I have quite a few versions of the AlphaHawk Island. I have more than you probably will have, but I can delete those older versions. So I no longer need the AlphaHawk Island 1.1, so I can remove that one. And be sure to empty your trash, because these are, again, pretty large files. So if you've been working on your island for a little bit, you can go through and check if there's something maybe you liked the treasures in that version. You can copy that information and then you can remove the other things. So I hope this is helpful on how easy it is to get the locks, and also a easy way to make your copy of your island. Don't forget, once you're ready, to add your AlphaHawks to the AlphaHawk Galaxy and be ready to add your students as well. I hope you really enjoy playing AlphaHawk Island, and again, like Coach says, it really is a new tool belt for all your fabulous whole brain teaching tools. You can still play the scoreboard, you can still play the Super Improver, and you have the AlphaHawk Island for all your content and your schedule for the day. I hope you really enjoy it and that this video helps you get your island ready to play. Have a great day, you guys.